back, everyone! I'm Miss Jessie. Today, we're going to continue our lesson about appositive phrases. Last week, we learned that appositive phrases rename or redefine a noun or pronoun, and that there are two kinds, non-essential and essential. Essential appositive phrases are necessary for us to understand the noun or pronoun that precedes it. Without that appositive, we would have trouble understanding the meaning of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. The Greek philosopher Aristotle wrote many texts which we will study today. Here, the name Aristotle is an essential appositive because there are several Greek philosophers we still study today. If we don't mention his specific name, the philosopher to whom we're referring won't be clear. Is everyone following along? Here's another example. My friend Ronnie loves to play soccer. In this example, it's important that the name Ronnie be included. If I leave out the name, you won't be sure to which friend I'm referring. Remember that essential appositives can't be removed from the sentence, so you shouldn't surround them with punctuation as you would a non-essential appositive. Stay tuned to our channel for more grammar videos, everybody. See you next time.